Hi, my name is Rachel Okello and I'm a UK-based solicitor specialising in immigration, nationality and deportation law. And today I want to talk about deportation. This is a continuation of our summer series where I come to you from different locations around the UK and just give you some analysis of UK immigration and where we are today and where we're headed. And today I want to talk about deportation. Deportation is a really interesting topic as regards immigration because it's what everybody wants to avoid. So everybody who comes to the UK from abroad wants to ensure that they stay on the right tracks of the immigration rules and they ensure that they stay on the correct immigration route so that they can eventually achieve indefinite leave to remain and, if they wish, British citizenship. So today I'm going to talk about criminal deportation. So basically, you may have stayed on the right track. You may have had indefinite leave to remain, but you haven't acquired British citizenship. You may not have been eligible. You may just not bothered to do so. Or you may have felt you wanted to retain your own nationality from your country of origin, so you haven't. But you find now that you have come on the wrong side of UK immigration law because you've committed a criminal offence. And if you commit criminal offences whilst you're a foreign national in the UK, then you can come to the attention of UK immigration, of the Home Office. And particularly if you go to prison for more than 12 months, then the law says that the Home Office must seek your automatic deportation from the United Kingdom. And how they do this is they initially start by asking you, if you're in prison, they'll write to you in prison and they will say that the law says that you should be deported because your presence in the United Kingdom is not conducive to the public good, is not in the public interest, and therefore we are required to deport you from the United Kingdom unless you can show us reasons why your deportation should not be carried out, why you should not have a deportation order made against you that we can enforce. So if you do have a deportation order made against you, then the Home Office can detain you until such time as you are deported. But it starts off with them asking you why they shouldn't give you a deportation order. And a lot of people don't understand that's the crucial time that you should put your best case forward, because sometimes people come to me and they've already got the deportation order and the Home Office has written to them in prison, but they've sent back some half-hearted story about having children in the UK, about living here most of their life, that they've got a partner here. The Home Office want real serious grounds in line with the exemptions to deportation as to why you shouldn't receive a deportation order. So that's the time when the Home Office first write to you in prison that you should put your best case to them and not write anything and then they give you a deportation order and then you start running to find a solicitor. And in fact, if you get a prison sentence of more than 12 months, then you can assume that the Home Office at some point will write to you asking you why you shouldn't be deported. Therefore, the best thing to do, as soon as you get that prison sentence, contact an immigration solicitor and find out what the exemptions to deportation are that could apply in your particular circumstances so that you can prepare the best possible case for when the Home Office get around to you, and they will get around to you. You will then, when they do get around to you, only have 20 days to reply to the Home Office, which is clearly not enough time. So you don't want to be just sitting in prison, twiddling your thumbs, thinking about when you start your life again in the United Kingdom, because the Home Office, on the other hand, will be thinking about how they get you out of the country. So you need to ensure that if you do get a prison sentence of more than 12 months, that you start to plan the case that you are going to be putting to the Home Office so that they do not give you a deportation order. Because if they give you a deportation order, then any leave to remain that you have had or that you have when you go into prison, including your indefinite leave to remain, will be revoked. So you want to make sure that you do everything you can not to get a deportation order. And of course, the best thing that you can do is not commit a criminal offence in the first place. But if you find yourself in that situation, then the Home Office and the law does provide for you to be able to challenge deportation proceedings, and that's what we help people to do. If they fall into one of those exemptions, we help people to put their case together so that they can make the best possible representations to the Home Office. So if you'd like to discuss your situation further with us, your personal situation, this is just a general sort of discussion, then contact us on 0121 3 894 895,